Okay, this is homework 1.5b. Don't forget to put your first and last name on your homework. Question number 1. What is the value of b to the third a if b equals 2 and a equals 6? Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down b to the third times a. Now I'm going to substitute the values in that they gave me. So they said b is 2, so I'm going to write down 2 to the third times my a is equal to 6. Okay, so now I need to think, well, 2 to the third times 6. What do I do next? Well, PEMDAS says I have to do exponents first. So 2 to the third really means 2 times 2 times 2 times 6. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 times 6. 4 times 2 is 8, times 6 equals 48. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Question number 2. What is the value of 2p squared plus q squared for p equals 4 and q equals 7? Okay, so same thing. I'm going to write my 2, and in place of p, I'm substituting in a 4. In place of q, we're substituting in a 7. And that's squared. All right, order of operations says parentheses. There's no operations inside those. So next is exponents from left to right. So I'm going to go to 4 squared, which means 4 times 4, which is 16 times 2. Then I'm going to do this exponent. 7 squared is 49 plus 16 times 2. Got to do multiplying before adding. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 49 would give me 9, 10, 11, carry my 1. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1. I get 81 for my final answer. Okay, if you're watching this video, you are lucky enough to hear that you do not have to do questions 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are challenges because they turn out with a negative number. So if you'd like to try them, go right ahead. Otherwise, you can leave those blank.